Today's recipe is cracked chicken casserole. Okay, we're going to combine our ingredients. So we're going to add our hash browns. I've used diced hash browns, but you could also use shredded hash browns if you like. Then we're going to add our sour cream. And it's a whole tub of sour cream. You could use low-fat sour cream if you like as well. A whole can of cream of chicken soup. This is a great recipe to bring to a potluck. It's a great recipe for a cool fall or winter night. And it is quite easy to put together. Then we'll add our melted butter. And our shredded cheese. I use an old cheddar, but you could play with that and you could add whatever cheese you like. And our ranch seasoning mix. And then we're going to stir this all together. We're going to stir it until it's all incorporated. This is great with a side of vegetables or a salad as well. Now we're going to add our cooked chicken. I just bought a rotisserie chicken, so I just chopped that up and added that. And some crumbled bacon. And we'll stir this all together. You could cook your own chicken, probably be around 2 chicken breasts, and just chop that up. You could dice it or you could shred it. Now we're going to put this in our 9x13 dish. We spray it. And then we're going to put our casserole inside the dish. This has lots and lots of flavor. Now we'll just spread this around evenly. We want it to cook even. Then we're going to add a little bit more cheddar on top. You can add as little or as much as you like. Everything tastes good with cheese. And then we'll add a few more bacon bits. Then we'll place this in our oven and we'll bake it for around 40 minutes or until the casserole is heated through and the cheese is melted. Let it sit for a few minutes before serving and enjoy. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.